Hello. Now that it's Christmas, I'm going to give you 5 more things to add to your glue book. Now that it's Christmas time and everything, be on the lookout for things that will add interest and character to your glue book. Like, people will be giving you cards. Hold on to some of them and put them in your glue book, for instance. See, that's a tip in from, my favorite pumpkin Pop-Tarts that I don't think everybody likes, but me. But it's my, that card, you see me put cards in. Another place. This was a good one when I started the glue book. So I added that one. So you have cards. Don't forget to use the gift bags that you'll receive. You don't need the whole gift bag. Use the gift bag, to carry your craft supplies around the house until it starts to rip. That's what I do. And then cut it up before you recycle. You don't need to keep the whole gift bag if you don't want to. But if you don't have pattern paper, you could cut it or tear it and add a little piece to add interest to your page. And don't forget, see, this is already cut. Don't forget the ribbon, but not the ribbon, the handle. But this one may be a little too thick, but sometimes it's a ribbon, so don't forget to use that. Okay. Oh, so since this is right here already, this was from a birthday party. If you have banners or such, and recently, here, this is a banner. A piece from a banner. This is a piece from a card. Well, I can't find it. My book is so big. But recently, the camera cut off where I had a congratulations grad. And I used some of the grad to put into my glue book. So, and I can't find it right now. I don't want to take up too much time. But you don't need the whole banner. But, take down some of you. Have a Merry Christmas banner, a Happy Hanukkah banner, or whatever holiday you celebrate during this time. Happy New Year's banner. Piece of it before you recycle it if you're not going to put it away for next year. And use it in your glue book to add interest. I'm going to keep cutting on that. Don't forget the tissue paper. As you can see, this was beat up, but don't forget to use it. Here's a little piece of tissue paper I added to this, and here's a piece of wrapping paper that I used. Napkins. Here's a little piece of a napkin that I had saved from Christmas. And just add a little piece in. You don't have to take much. You don't have to take the whole stack. But, you're at a party, you take the whole stack. No. But just a little piece of... Here's tissue paper behind this chair. And then here's a Christmas. This page is unfinished. This is a Christmas card. And here's the tissue paper that I laid down. Okay, what else? Don't let anybody throw away things until you look at it. My son was going to throw this DVD away because it was cracked. But guess what? I snatched it so fast and took this, and I'm going to add it to my book. Did I say wrapping paper? Here's a piece of wrapping paper. Again, I probably said wrapping paper, didn't I? Wrapping paper. Someone gave me a book. I could tell it was a book. But you could tear little pieces off of it and add it to your book. Especially if you don't have pattern paper like I do. Go ahead and put a piece down. Tear it off. It'll add interest to your book and place it. I just came to another place. Something else. Product packaging. I love my product packaging. I'm right now using this to hold my scissors and glue. But as you can see, this was a tissue box. You could cut this up and use this for a good many places. The top with the hole in it, the sides. So a lot of things will be coming to you, and And it's, you know, a lot of Christmas or holiday decorated things will be coming to you this year. So use it. This was a, did I say that already? This was a sink strainer. It looks like pattern paper. So I added it. And then it's the nice little flip up. So there we are there. What else will be coming to you? Oh, if you go to Trader Joe's, the Trader Joe's bags, you could cut up and save before you recycle it. What else? If I don't know if it's been canceled, but you'll have you'll be going to recitals and things of that nature. So there's bulletins that you'll be getting. You know, church services, concerts. What else? You know, I'm trying to think. There's a lot of things. Tis the season to when it's time to take it down to replace it with a new calendar. You could cut up pieces of your calendar and use it all year long. This was from 2008. I typically keep my calendars, and this is a calendar page, a piece from calendar. This isn't. This is a sticker from it. But you could cut up all pieces of the calendar. I just love me some Maxine. She's so irreverent. What else? I'm trying to think. I should have written it down, but I think I've given you. I think I've given you some ideas. So calendars. You have your cards, gift bags, product, good old product packaging. Because you know everything is coming with holiday theme to it. Banners, if you have banners. Where is it? Don't forget some of your tissue paper, your gift wrapping. Don't save everything, because your husband, your children, or whatever will put you out the house. You know, just keep little pieces of it. You don't need much. Your, what's that? Gift bags. Pattern paper. Oh, and a little piece. I think I even put down a little pieces of tinsel. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's this way. See this page. I put a little piece of tinsel down. This is from tissues, a box of tissues. And see inside, I put a gift tag down. So. And this is a piece of drop cloth napkin. But let's say if I put the napkin down. So just be on the lookout for things that are free. When I voted, there was I voted stickers around, and I told the lady I'm going to take 2 because I wanted to put one down in my glue book. So there are places. Oh, don't forget the ribbon. This is Christmas ribbon, and I think I came down to the end of it, so I put it in my glue book. So there are many things. You just keep your eyes out. This is from the library, but you know, sometimes, you know, you go in a library, they may have a Christmas theme one, or even if they don't, this is cute. If you see bookmarks in the library, don't get out of balance. Pick one of each, and you can put one in your glue book. And this is wrapping paper. So if you want to see me use the things that I mentioned in this video, stay tuned.